If you want to know how you can turn on and off the auto rotate feature on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, you will find the option of orientation lock. Now to turn off the auto rotate feature, just enable orientation lock. And by doing that, you will turn off the auto rotate feature on your Redmi 15C. Just like that. Now, if you cannot find the orientation lock feature in the control center, then just swipe to the right side and tap on Edit. Now from here, you will find the orientation lock feature in your control center. Now just tap and hold on the orientation lock feature to add it to your control center. Just like that. And after you add the orientation lock feature to the control center, then tap on Done to set. Just like that. Now, if you want to enable the auto rotate feature, just disable orientation lock. And by doing that, you will enable the auto rotate feature on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can enable or disable auto rotate on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.